We're fortunate to have video image so people can see exactly what we do with the fundraising dollars. We think that's very important. Actually, that's one of the most important part of what we do. We have a Facebook presence at JAHJAH Foundation. And people can see us in action, and we always stress that. You know, it's nice to have a gala, that's important. It's nice to have a boat ride, that's important. But even more important, people need to see the work you're doing to make a difference in Jamaica. And so, you know, we invest in having a videographer with us to capture the moments, to capture the smiles of our brothers and sisters who are living in Jamaica, to show the children's fear before they see the dentist and the smiles after they see the dentist, you know, and just to see the caring nature of our staff. Because sometimes people feel like, you know, when you're doing mission work or global health work, there's no attachment, there's no real, you know, connection with the people. So through our video lens, you'll be able to see that, you know, we do make a difference in the lives of many of these Jamaicans.